Hi everyone, my name is Morgan and today I'm going to be showing you all how to use the text leveler in the Snap and Read iOS app. So the first thing that we are going to do is go ahead and open our iPad window here, and let's minimize that background noise and make that screen bigger. So the first thing that we're going to do is find our Snap and Read app, which is found down here. I'm just going to go ahead and open that. So I have open a article on Rosa Parks and the Montgomery bus boycott. So the first thing that I want to do is this text is going to be a little bit more complex for me as a reader. So this is where that text leveler is going to come in handy so I can better understand this worksheet here. So we have seen how to use this, the text reader. So the next thing that we're going to look at is that text leveler. So all we have to do is click once on the text leveler and then boom, it has popped up in a separate box, and right away I can see that a lot of my text has been italicized. So for example, let's look at refusing to spend money on a business. So if I just toggle back and forth between that, I can see that refusing to spend money on a business or buy its products was previously boycott. So that word has been leveled for me to better understand. What's great about that is I can actually go back and forth between that so I can, again, better understand the content being presented. So that is how you use the text leveler in the iOS app for Snap and Read. If you need any additional assistance, please do head to our website at learningtools.donjohnston.com and check out our support tab and check out our product resources where there is a wealth of information for you to go through. Thanks for watching.